Introducing the Wesco Heavy Duty Narrow Aisle Shelf Cart. It comes in a variety of sizes in both 2 and 3 shelf models, or it can be custom designed to meet specific user needs. The all-welded steel construction provides for maximum durability, and the center caster tilting design provides maximum maneuverability. The cart features locking front and rear 3.5-inch swivel casters and 2 rigid center casters, which are mounted to allow for ease of movement even in narrow spaces. Overall capacity is 800 pounds with evenly distributed loads. Wesco heavy-duty narrow aisle shelf carts are made in our Pennsylvania factory.